Bitcoin is back at consolidating inside of this symmetrical triangle after yesterday's fake out we got because of this huge sell-off. So we need to be talking about all of these Bitcoin dumps because Bitcoin whales are right now selling off Bitcoin like clockwork each and every single day. So we need to be talking about that exactly and much more in this update video. So can we once again push up the likes back above the 100 likes? That will be absolutely amazing, and as always, let's have a look into what's it short term. And yes, first of all, like we have been talking about yesterday we have been seeing this breakout over here, but we were still saying that we needed to be breaking above this level of resistance over here, and until we are not going to be breaking above this level over here, I do not expect we are going to be getting our massive breakout. Eventually, we still got this rejection by this level over here. That was quite unfortunate, of course, but I still do believe that this level over here is going to be the most important level to be having a look in towards. And that is going to be the reason why I think it is going to be way more important to be having a look in towards this ascending triangle rather than this symmetrical triangle. Look, yes, Bitcoin is trading back at this symmetrical triangle and is currently still looking like it is going to break out in the next few hours to the next few days, but I just think that this ascending triangle is going to be much more important. Okay, if we are going to be breaking outside of this level of resistance, if we are going to be breaking above, well then we are going to be confirming our massive breakout. So yeah, it just seems a lot more logical in my opinion to be having a look into this ascending triangle. And yes, we need to be breaking back above this level of previous support right now, turning in towards resistance. We need to be getting back above it, and if we are going to be getting back above it, I think in no time we are going to be reaching back at this level over here at about that 68k level. But yeah, do still keep in mind that Bitcoin is currently still trading inside of this downtrend, so that is going to be very important. We need to be creating this higher low over here, and if we are going to be creating a higher low at these levels, well definitely I think we are going to be once again reaching these new highs like I've been talking about over here. But we first of all need to be breaking above this level of resistance. If we are going to be failing to do so, we'll do still keep in mind that Bitcoin is trading inside of this downtrend. So yes, it is going to be a crucial decision point. If we are going to be seeing this break towards the downside, definitely I think we are going to be seeing these lows getting reached once again, and we can be getting a very good entry in at these lows over here. So yeah, basically still the same thing like we have been talking about for the past couple of weeks. Anyways guys, a very interesting thing we can be seeing right now is that the Americans are selling Bitcoin like clockwork. Literally we can be seeing that each and every single day whenever the stock market has been opening, and well, each and every single time it has caused a massive sell-off for Bitcoin. So I think that something is going on behind the scenes. I think that someone from America is selling Bitcoin like crazy. Now, of course, this is just some speculation, but I do think that in the coming few days or the coming few weeks, we are going to be getting some information getting released that yes, indeed, Americans are selling, or like some big institution or some big company has been selling a lot of their Bitcoin. Because yes, Bitcoin is just getting suppressed right now by America actually. We can be having a look into what's this comparison from the stock market and the Bitcoin price. We can literally be seeing that the stock market has recovered its full dump towards the downside, but Bitcoin is right now still lagging behind. And also, if you are going to be zooming out even more, we can literally be seeing that Bitcoin is currently getting suppressed. The stock market is reaching new all-time highs every single day. Well, yeah, Bitcoin is still just consolidating inside of this range. So for sure, we can be seeing that Bitcoin is getting suppressed. I think something is going on behind the scenes right now. But of course, like I have said for the past couple of days, I do think that there is going to be a big catch-up trade to be made. I do think that Bitcoin ultimately is going to be retracing with the stock market and is going to be catching up with the stock market with this big bounce. So yeah, do not get fooled. I think this is going to be a massive trap. Anyways guys, the Bitcoin market sentiment is currently still trading in big fears, so that should be the time where I'm going to be buying. Also, the funding rates are massively negative, also still definitely signaling me that I want to be buying at these levels over here. So that is definitely still looking bullish. I think that a very good breakout trade could be made over here with this ascending triangle over here. So guys, if you're going to be getting interested in trading yourself as well, well, make sure to check out that link down below, because with that link down below, you can right now be claiming a $30,000 deposit bonus. And on top of that, if you are using that link down below, you can also be claiming this $500 free trade, which you can literally be claiming right now. Just click on that first link down below, sign up a new account over on Bybit, and claim a free $500 trade, where with this trade, you can be literally making thousands and thousands of US dollars from, with basically zero risk. So make sure to be checking it out. Anyways, guys, with that being said, well, Bitcoin in that longer time frame is of course still getting suppressed. It is still consolidating inside of this range, but each and every single time during consolidation, that should be the time to be paying attention for that next Bitcoin move. Of course, we are still trading inside of this summer, and usually Bitcoin summers are very boring. This summer is once again also very boring, just sideways consolidation going on right now. And anyways, volatility is low and the Bollinger Band width are also at all-time lows, but every time this has happened, a big move occurred right after. This isn't going to be the time to quit, this is going to be the time to be paying attention. The Bollinger Bands are at these all-time lows, and this is indicating low volatility, but that should actually be the time to be paying attention, because after this low volatility, always a huge move has come. So pay attention in towards that. Also, the Dixie is starting to fall right now. This is going to be bullish for Bitcoin. Anyways, on that larger time frame, still, we are going to be awaiting a massive breakout for Bitcoin. But just in that shorter time frame, well, we need to be breaking above that 61k level back again, because otherwise, well, quite literally, it is going to be looking very bearish. We have been breaking down below this level of resistance, support over here. We need to be getting back above this level over here to be breaking back bullish again. Otherwise, it is going to be looking like a confirmed breakout towards the downside. So yeah, make sure to keep that in mind. Anyways, guys, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.